AI works so fast, and I could barely keep up with it. I was creating a blog post and a page from content on my website, myincomejob.com. I'm going through the back end every single page, and I'm producing this freebie blogger blog. And it's helping me. I'm using AI. It's helping me produce work very quickly. But AI is so fast. Google, when I created the Cashback Gas app, I write about this app that I use. And I have a couple of web pages or blog posts on my myincomejob.com website. Google writes me immediately, and they tell me that they unpublished my blog post. It was flagged for them to review, and they determined that it violated their guidelines, and they unpublished the URL. Well, within just a couple of minutes, they wrote back and said, upon review, the post has been reinstated, which I'm grateful. But I was already taking that content on this page that I created, which is all new content. It's all fresh content. I used AI. I grabbed the content from here. I started creating a post on my myincomejob.com. I didn't want to waste the content. So now, after they told me it was reinstated, I kept it here. Here's the post on the blog, and if a visitor clicks there or clicks right here, it will bring them to here, the page. So, well, I'll keep it the way it was. Now I have to spin this, and I'm using AI. And this is the paragraph I'm on now. I thought I would show you this because I didn't want to waste it. This is all fresh content here from this content. And what I'm doing is I'm taking that, I'm copying it, I'm going to paste it right here. I'm using Grammarly Generative AI. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to tap on more. And I want it to, for this example, rewrite for general audience. I didn't plan on doing this, but I didn't want to waste that content. So I'm going to click it, and there it goes. It regenerated this content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert it, and it will replace this content here. There you go. Now I'm going to take it. I'm going to copy it. You can either cut or copy. It's up to you. I'm going to copy it. This is in Microsoft Edge. Now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to delete that content. Oops, sorry. Delete this content and paste that right in there because I didn't want to waste this content, and I didn't plan on doing that. Oh, and it's telling me how to make it even sound better. Well, of course I'm going to say yes. Look how fast this does it. I'll read that before I click publish, but this is how fast it does it for you. So I'll do one more. I'm going to highlight this because I don't want it to be the same as the content on this blog. And I'm going to, let me go back here so I don't get confused. Go back to Grammarly. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to tap on more. I'm going to tell it, rewrite for a general audience. It'll spin it. Excellent. I'm going to click insert. It will replace this content right here. Insert. There you go. Fresh new content. I didn't want to waste it. I didn't plan on doing this, but because Google's AI worked so fast, they didn't give me a chance to really think. And I said, well, I'll just make another page. It's an app that I use. It's not a bad thing. And then I'll leave that link there. So here's another post. I mean, I do have to, add what categories to add it to. I'll check that. And the tags. I think I did that already. I see. And then I'm going to make sure I do the header footer. And see how fast? Oops, sorry. They're telling me to make it better. No problem. No problem. Done. That's done. I go by this. These 5 things are approved. I know it's good. Image key phrase. I'm getting better. I use a lot of freebie stuff. That's how fast Google AI works. Incredible. So now they told me I can keep that page, and that's not wasted time or work. I didn't want to redo it. I'm like, why is that against their policy? Because they thought it was scamish, spamish, but it's not upon review with the second AI reviewing it. See you in the next video clip.